welcome to this cozy day at home where we are going to be cleaning and doing a little bit of cooking at the end. So starting off in the kitchen, I wanted to make sure it was clean before we started making dinner for the night. I was going to do something in the crock pot, which you guys will see later. But if you're new, I just wanted to say hi, welcome. My name's Kaleigh, and on my channel, I do all things cleaning, home decor, seasonal decor, and lifestyle. And this is my first cleaning video back after a lot of fun fall videos. So if you haven't seen those, I will link them down below for you guys. But I needed to clean my house, so I figured I would film it for you.
What do I have to say to keep you by my side? How to start in a liquefy. Need you here to tell me that.
I recently talked about how we got a new sink. We took out our old stainless steel one and put in a single bowl white sink, which is like my dream. I always love white sinks and I really wanted a single bowl. And then we got the new faucet from Amazon. I got it on a really good deal on Amazon for Labor Day. I think I paid like $50 for it, and it's super nice, really good water pressure, and I just love doing dishes now. It's funny how the things you want as an adult change. I would have never thought I would have wanted a sink or a new faucet. Like I never thought that would bring me so much joy, but it definitely has. I'm wiping down all of our countertops with the Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice Spray. I love the way this smells, and it really lingers in the air in your kitchen for a while after you wipe everything down. And I'm doing this with a paper towel just so I can throw it away.
Look at you, eyes as soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never knew. I see it now, that everything will be okay. With no small door.
I really want a stovetop cover, like the wooden ones that's like a tray that covers your whole stovetop so you can like put some cute decor on it. I just haven't had the time to get my husband to make me one, and I was looking on Etsy and they're kind of expensive if you order one, so I think we're just going to try to make our own, but that's a DIY I want to do in the future.
Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and say.
And of course, lighting my candle at the end of cleaning the kitchen. This one's so good, and it's from Home Goods. So now moving into the living room. It was a really rainy, kind of dreary day outside, so I'm leaving the blanket on our couch just because if the dogs do have a little leftover mud or something, I don't want their muddy paws all over the couch, and I know they're going to jump up there. So I just leave a blanket out just in case. It always just makes me feel a little bit better. And then we're going to start vacuuming. My house really needed a good vacuum. It had been a couple days, and honestly, with 3 dogs, I have to vacuum very often. The dog hair just piles up. It's so crazy.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you?
While I was cleaning, I wanted to diffuse something really fresh and clean, so we're diffusing some citrus and lemon in the essential oil diffuser, and this is from Young Living. I just got into it. I don't know hardly anything about how to use it or all the different ways you can use essential oils, but I'm starting to slowly learn.
Till my legs go numb.
So I had some laundry piled up from the week, and I figured it was time to go ahead and tackle that. And then I also had a ton of laundry to fold, which I'll show you guys later, and I had to get that done. It had been so long since I sat down and folded clothes. I think folding laundry is one of my least favorite chores like ever to do. I'd rather do anything other than fold clothes and dust. I hate dusting. What are you guys' least favorite chores? I know everybody has at least one, but definitely folding laundry is mine.
These nights are rolling over me. That's not how it's supposed to be.
So as you can see, there's always a sleepy dog in my bed, so I needed to make it though, so I had to get him off the bed, which he was not happy about. And I'm just going to quickly make our bed so our room feels a little more put together.
Comes up, get the feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb.
is the mountain of laundry I told you guys I had to fold. I wasn't lying when I said it was a mountain. But in order to make this go a little bit faster, I put on 90 Day Fiance so I could watch that while I was folding clothes. I never was into this show before, but I started watching the Happily Ever After, where they show them like after they've gotten married, and oh my gosh, it is addicting. I've watched every single season, so a new episode was just released on Sunday, so I had to watch it and catch up from the previous weeks.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. You're the only sunset that I'll never forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring.
So I'm doing a quick vacuum in our dining room, although this carpet is about to get ripped up and we're going to put the flooring that's in our living room in here. We had planned to do this for a long time, and it's just so hard with both of our schedules to find the time to do it. So eventually this is going to be not carpeted, which I can't wait, and so we're just trying to keep it as clean as possible because the dogs have gotten some stuff in this carpet that we just cannot get out. So in the future, that's on our to-do list, but who knows honestly when that's going to happen.
I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
I needed to water my mums. I actually still need to repot one of them at least, but I love these mums. Like I said in my previous video, I got them at Walmart, really affordable, and all the pumpkins are from Walmart as well. Okay, it's time to put dinner in the crock pot, and tonight we're doing beef tips and egg noodles, which is, it never really looks appetizing, but it tastes so good at the end. So we are just adding some beef tips in. I got mine at my local grocery store, and then we are adding just some seasoning. So I just put a little bit of garlic salt and pepper, onion powder, and then I add in some beef bouillon cubes just to make a little bit of beef broth. I usually add about 2. I don't really have a recipe, I just kind of made my own up over time, but my mom gave me the original recipe, but I don't even use it anymore. I just kind of do what I can from memory. And then I added a can of cream of mushroom soup, and then I will add 1 can of water just to make it more brothy. And then I add 1 packet of the Lipton onion soup mix to the top. So I stir all that up and then I let it cook in the crock pot on low for a few hours. It just depends on how long it takes your beef tips to cook. I think I technically overcooked mine because I put them on a little early, but that's okay. And then I wanted to make brownies for my husband because I wanted to have him a little treat when he got home. He's been working so much this week, and he loves when I make brownies. So I'm making these in this adorable little hobnail bowl that I got from Big Lots. I love this bowl. It's so cute, and I wish I could find one that was even bigger to sit under my KitchenAid. So here's an overview of my house. The brownies were still in the oven, but it was smelling so yummy and it was so cozy at night. I love these times when I can just relax in a clean home, when all the lights are off and you can put your diffuser on and burn your favorite candles and listen to your favorite music. It's like such a vibe and I love it so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below and subscribe. I'd love to have you here on my channel, and we're still going to be doing some fun videos in the future, especially when Christmas comes up. Oh my goodness. Y'all know how much I loved decorating for fall, and Christmas is going to be just as big. Hope you have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video.